Next point, right to seek a redressal against unscrupulous exploitation, restrictive and unfair trade practices. In these rights, consumer have a right to get his claims and complaints settled against manufacturer and seller. This right provides the consumer freedom from unfair trade practices by trader. Next, right to consumer educate. Consumer is entitled to get information about which are necessary for him. Educate create awareness about his rights, and this helps a consumer protect himself against frauds. It means if any consumer of any purchaser get educated and he get awareness and how to protect against the unfair trade practice or a fair of a fraud of a fraud fraud done by a seller or a trader. This is the right to consumer educate. Next, last right, right to healthy environment. This right, environment that will enhance the quality of life. It includes protection against the environmental dangers over which individual has no control. It means we have all right to get a good and pure environment and a quality of life in a society. This is the rights of a consumers. Next, consumers complaint. Next topic is consumer complaint in a society. This is the rights of a consumers. Next, consumers complaint. Next topic is consumer complaints. Moni record stop. Stop చేసినావా? Consumer complaint. Consumer Protection Act laid down to against what complaint can be made under this act. It means what complaint made under this act. According to this provision, complaint can be made in a written. It means under the followings, what and all we can made. Let's be see one by one. First complaint. Complaint against unfair trade practices. Complaint against unfair trade practices. It means a trader practice or a business practice which for a purpose of promoting the sales, use or a supply of any goods for a provision of any services, any goods or a services which he adopted any unfair methods like falsely suggesting that the services are particularly standard quantity of a quantity of a grade. Next, otherwise, false suggestion, any rebuild, second handled or a consideration or old goods as a new goods. It means any second hand goods or any old goods considered showing as a new goods. And false suggestion that the goods are particularly standard quality, quantity, grade and composition, style or a model. It means it is a old model or less quality, less quantity, but showing the as a more quantity, as a more style and as a new model. Next, under this unfair trade practices, we can complain against this act, against this practice. Next, complaint against the defective goods. Complaint against the defective goods. From above it is clear that from above it is clear that a complaint may be filed in respect of a goods which suffered which suffer from one or more defects. Which suffer from one or more defects. First, let's we see what is defect. Defect means any fault, imperfection or shortcoming in a quality, quantity, potence potency, purity or standard which is required to be maintained by a trader. It means it should be a quality or a quantity standard should be maintained by a trader. But here any trader or any businessman failed to maintain a standard, which means we can complain against that defect of a goods. Next, against complaint against deficient service. It is defect regarding to goods. Next, deficiency relating to service. The complaint can be made in respect of any services which suffer from deficiency in any respect. Okay, deficiency in a respect. Like we should get a service like a recharge of a mobile or internet pack. We recharge, but pack is not came or recharge is not successfully done, but our amount is credited. This kind of defective services we can complain to. Next, deficiency. Deficiency means any fault, imperfection, shortcoming in advocacy in any law of a time being further or has been undertaken, performed by the person. It means any quality or a quantity fault in a services is known as a defect in service. Next, false bargaining price. False bargaining price. It means where a advertisement is published in a newspaper or otherwise in a TV or radio, by where goods or services are offered at a bargained price, when in fact there is no intention that some may be offered at that price in a responsible period or a responsible quantity. A complaint can be filed against the trader. It means, for example, we can see in a newspaper as a 20% discount, 40% discount on a particular product. But if we visit a real that shop, there is no any kind of offers. There is no any kind of uh, price reductions like that. If you find means, we can complain against that offered false bargaining price. At last complaint we see complaint against the non-compliance of a consumer dispute. Mistake I Consumer dispute. It means dispute where a person against whom a complaint has been made or dispute allegations contained in a complaint. This is the consumer dispute. Under consumer dispute, there are two advisory bodies. First, advisory body. Next, redressal agencies. First, let's we see what is advisory body. They have charge with the promotion and the protection of rights of consumer. They play advisory body play an important role in giving a public publicity to okay. Types of consumer protection. There are three types of consumer protection. First, the Central Consumer Protection Council. The central government has established the council is known as a Central Council by notification headed by Ministry in charges of Consumer Affairs. The chairman of Central Council to meet at least once in every year. Next, second one, State Consumer Protection Council. State government have established the State Council is known as a State Council. State Council chairman meet at least twice in a year. Next, at last, District Consumer Protection Council. State government have established for every district, a council is known as a District Consumer Protection Council. By notification headed by the collector of a district is known as a District Protection Council. Next, a chairman of a district council should meet at least twice in a year. This is the types of a consumer protection. Next and last topic, consumer dispute redressal body. Consumer redressal agency, not a body, agency. In a redressal agency, who has suffered loss, who has suffered a loss can be claimed compensation, some amount of money based on the losses incurred by a consumer. It means redressal agency means who have suffered from a loss. For example, person who has suffered from a loss by a trader, that person can claim compensation. That person claim a compensation in a redressal agency. Loss on a incurred by a consumers. It means loss. How much he suffered a loss. That much amount we can claim in a redressal agencies. There are three types of redressal agencies. There are three types of redressal agencies. First, District Commission Forum, State Commission Forum, National Commission Forum. Under this, first, District Commission Forum. District Commission Forum. Each district of a state shall have a consumer forum. Is the consumer forum. District forum is headed by the district judge and established by the state government. It deals with the volume of goods or a service does not exceed 20 lakh rupees. It means district forum is established by the state government. District forum is established by the state government, and the chairperson must be a judge of a district court, and it deals volume. It means it deals with the value of a goods, rupees 1 rupee, from 1 rupee to up to 20 lakh rupees in a district forum can claim a amount. Next composition. Next composition of a district forum. It means a person who is district judge shall be its president. It means a person who judge of a district court is known as its president. There will be a two other person, and along with the president, there are two other members who deals with the problem related to economy, law, commerce, accounts, etc. Under this, one should be a woman. Under two person, one should be a woman, and every appointment made by the state government only. It means in district forum, every appointment made by the state government only. Okay. Next, terms and ages. Next point, terms and ages. Ages. Member shall be eligible for 5 years. Member shall be eligible for 5 years, or up to the age 65 years. Up to age 65 years. 5 years or up to age of 65 years. Whichever is earlier. And also they can reappointment. And also they can be reappointment. Jurisdiction of a district commission. Jurisdiction of a district commission. District form shall have jurisdiction to entertain where the value of goods or services, and composition if any claim does not exceed 20 lakh rupees. It means in a district forum there is only up to 20 lakh rupees. shall be a composite amount, and the cause of action wholly or partly arise. It means they can composite half amount or a full amount they can compose. Next, state commission. State commission headed by judge of the High Court. It means the state commission as a judge of High Court and established by a state government. It is established by the state government only. It is also established by state government, and even district forum also established by the state government. Mm. State Commission Forum. State Commission Forum headed by judge of the High Court. State Commission also headed by the judge of High Court and established by state government, and it is also established by state government, and also district forum and district forum also established by the state government. Both forum are established by state government. Next, it deals with the value of goods or services rupees 20 lakh to 1 crore. It means the state commission or state forum is deals value up to rupees 20 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. It is deals. Next, composition. Members has been judge of a high court is appointed by the state government. It means the the chairperson or members were appointed by the state government. Next, other two members should be there. How district forum is there? No, there is two other members. Like other two members shall be person eligible ability deals with their ability to deals with the problem. Ability to deal with the problem related to economy, law, commerce, accounts, etc. In this also, in the state commission also should be a one person should be woman. One person should be a woman. Every appointment shall be made by the state government. Even members and a chairperson or president shall be appointed by the state government only. Next, president of a state commission is a chairperson. President of this state commission is a chairperson, is a judge of the high court. Next, the terms and ages. Terms and ages. Every member of a state commission shall be a termed 5 years or up to age of the 67 years. In a district forum, there should be a 65 years. But here, in a 67 years, more than 2 years extra year. And also, they are eligible for reappointment. Here also eligible for reappointment. Next, jurisdiction of a state commission. A complaint where the value of a goods or service, if any claim exceed 20 lakh, there should not exceed 20 lakh, but here from 20 lakh will be started in a state commission. From 20 lakh to 1 crore rupees here dealings. The here composition and claims is done from a 20 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. Next, and last commission forum. National Commission Forum. National Commission Forum. National Commission headed by the Chief Justice of a Supreme Court. Chief Justice of a Supreme Court. And it is established by the central government. National Commission Forum is established by the central government. It is established by central government of India. It deals with the value of goods and service. It deals with the value of goods and service more than 1 crore. In district forum, not exceeding 20 lakhs. From 1 rupee to 20 lakhs in a district forum. In a state forum, 20 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. In state forum, 20 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. And in a national forum, there must be a goods and service value must be more than 1 crore rupees. It deals with the more than 1 crore rupees. Next, composition. Next, composition of National Commission. Members who has been judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the central government. It means members who has been judge of the Supreme Court. Member who has been judge of, he should be a judge of Supreme Court. Then only central government will appointment. If not, no appointment of that person. If he want to be president or if he want to be chairperson, means he must be judge of a Supreme Court. Its appointment is done by the central government. Next, there shall be a 4 members in a both commission. In previous both commission, district and state forum, there must be only 2 persons. But in a national commission, there is a 4 members. 4 members will be deals, including one woman and 3 men's. Are men's. Next, every appointment shall be a central government only. Any members or chairpersons appointment is done by the central government. A person who is a judge of a Supreme Court to be nominated by the Chief Justice, Supreme Judge of the Supreme Court to nominated by the Chief Justice shall be its president, its chairman or a president. Next, terms and ages. Let's see terms and ages. Ages. Every member of a national commission, shall held for a 5 years. Here also 5 years. Or age up to 70 years. In a district forum, there is a up to 65 years. And in a state forum, there is up to 67 years. But in a year national commission, there will be a up to 70 years. He can do his duties and his works in a national commission. He can work in a national commission as a member, sir, or as a chairperson. He can work up to age 70 years. Next, last, jurisdiction of a national commission. Jurisdiction of a national commission. To entertain the jurisdiction of a national commission to entertain the complaints where the value of goods or services it exceed or more than 1 crore rupees. Here complaints where the value of the goods should be more than 1 crore rupees, not less than even 90 lakhs, 99,990 rupees also here not accepted. But 1 crore rupees, 1 rupees also in National Commission will be accepted. To entertain the appeal against the order of a state commission, and we can appeal the against the order of a state commissions also. We can appeal in a national commission. What and all judgment or what and all order is issued by a state commission, we can reappeal in a national commission. This is the regarding the Consumer Protection Act and consumer redressal agencies. And by this topic, we finish the third unit. Okay, thank you, bye, and all the best for this your semester exams.